Okay, here we go. I gotta go fast. Sections E and F. So we're starting target E and F. Okay, which one has the greatest rate of change, the biggest slope? We did this one in class. This one has a slope of 2. That's where you find that. So this one has a slope of 5. So far 5's in the lead. This one has a slope of up 12 over 2. This one has a slope of 6. All right, so when we look at this graph, does it have a slope bigger than 6? Let's see. Well, I only see a point right there. I don't see where it hits another point. So this is a really bad graph. But what I can say is, okay, it looks like it hits halfway right there. Where does it hit halfway again? Because if you go from halfway to halfway, that's 1 box over. Okay, so when does it go 1 box over? No. It looks like it hits halfway, maybe right there. It hits halfway again. So to go over 1 box, it was up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over 1. So this goes up 8 over 1. Now it doesn't go from box to box. It goes from middle to middle, but that's still over 1 box. So this is up 8 over 1. This is 8. This is a terrible graph, but yeah, this is more than 6. Number 2, let's see. There's my y. It goes up 4 over 3. Okay, this goes up 4 over 3. This goes up 4 over 3. Since all the slopes are the same, this is a straight line. Even if it went up 8 and over 6, and you're like, wait, is that a straight line? Yeah, because when I divide by 2, that's still 4, 3. So you can tell it's a straight line because all the slopes are the same. This is not linear. It curves. This has a power, so it's going to curve. Let's see. Number 3. Okay. This means take my x and multiply by -5, then subtract 7. All right, let's see. If I multiply this by -5, if I take my x, multiply by -5, I get 25 minus 7 is 18. No, it's not that one. Okay, so I'll get rid of that. Let's see. This by -5 is 25 minus 7 is 18. Yep, that's this one. Okay. This one means multiply by +5, then subtract 1. Okay, if I multiply this by +5, I get -25 minus 1, -26. Yep. Okay, let's do a different color. I'm going to multiply by -3 and then subtract 8. All right, I'll try this one. -3 is -15, then minus 8. Nope, that is not right. This would be like -23. Okay, so this one must be, by process of elimination, must be this one, which leaves me, we'll do a different color, which leaves me this one, 3 times minus 9. So let's see. This must be 3 times minus 9. 3 times is 15, minus 9 is 6. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, so there we go. Number 5, oops, I did them out of order. Okay, number 5, I said do them this way. Okay, well, it's really easy to do 5 because this means take x, multiply by 7, and add 7. Okay, we multiply this by 7, that's 35, add 7 more, that's 42. Okay, let's see, 12, multiply by 7, ooh, what is that, 84? Add another 7, that's 91. All right, these ones might be harder to work backwards, like 21. Okay, so let's y equals 7x plus 7, but now we have to plug in 21 for the y. All right, let's minus 7 from over here, minus 7 from over there. So 7x's equal 14, divided by 7, x equals 2. Okay, we had to work backwards on that one, so I'm going to use the equation to help me work backwards. All right, then this other one, let's say y equals 7x plus 70 or plus 7, but now 77 is the y, so we're going to plug 77 in for y. Do the same thing, minus 7, minus 7. 7x equals 70. Divide by 7, divide by 7, x equals 10. Okay, 6. Let's see which basically what's the equation? Let's see. This one goes down 8. This one goes actually up 1 because this is way low. This is lower than that one is. So -8 divided by 1 is -8. So right now we're at y equals -8x. Let's see. Oh, there's only one it could be. Okay. Let's see, 7. We usually see these this way, where the y is on the right side, right? I'm going to do a different color. Where the y is on the right side, so this is the right side. Let's see, it goes down 6, and it goes forward 3. So down 6, forward 3, the slope, the rate of change is the slope is -2. All right, which of these, if I take my x, multiply by 8, and add 3, which of these work? Okay, let's see. Oops, let's go back. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40, minus 3 or plus 3 is 43. No, that one does not work. 8 times 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19. No, that is not 43. That one doesn't work. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Yes, that one works. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27, not 19. No, that one does not work. 9. Which one has the greatest rate of change? Let's see, the greatest slope. This one is a slope of 4. This one is a slope, let's see, it basically hits there, it basically hits there. This one goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. This is -6 over 1 equals -6. This is going to be let's see, a weird problem for me. This one goes down, let's see, that goes down 25, down 25 over 5, down 25 over 5. This one has a slope of -5. Okay, this is, I have to look up the actual answer for this one. I'm not sure. It's either, the slope is either, this one has the greatest change, it's the biggest slope, but this one is actually changing the most. Even though it's going down very fast. So, greatest rate of change. I have to look up a even I have to look up a greatest rate of change. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative. So this is the biggest one. 4 is greater than these. So this one's, yeah, okay. Long story. I was thinking of something else. All right, this one is really easy. This one, here's the begin on blue number at -3, which means we start below 0. This one starts below 0 somewhere, so that could be it. This one starts above 0, so this one's out. This one starts above 0, so this one's out. This one starts below 0, so this one could be it. So it's either A or D. Now I'm looking at this number, which is the slope, which is negative. So this number heads downwards using my right arm. If I was a person, my arm is going to be pointed down. That's negative. Up is positive. This one's pointing up. It's not this one. This one's pointing down. It is this one. All right, let's go over to F. Where's F? Let's see, target F. All right, here we go. F. Okay, let's write an equation. A swimming pool starts with 1,500 gallons in it. Okay, so if I'm going to write my equation, it's going to start with 1,500 gallons in it. So that's where it starts. And it's being emptied. It's going down at a rate of, it's going down 375, so down negative 375 every 3 hours. Oh, so it's going down 375 over 3. And if I divide that, that's actually negative 125. So we're going down 125 every hour, but we're starting at 1,500. All right, let's see. So the pool goes down by 1,125 gallons every hour? No, it only goes down by 125 every hour, so no. The amount of the water in the pool at 5 hours is 875. I don't know, let's use our equation. If we plug in 5 for the x, that'll tell us where we're at. So let's see. I'll do it down here. I'll do it over here. Y equals negative 125 x plus 1,500. But now we know the x is 5. Sorry, I wrote it terrible. Y equals negative 125 times 5 plus 1,500. Negative 125 times 5 is, what is that? Negative 675? No, let's see. Hey Siri, what's negative 125 times 5? No, it's negative 625. That's what it is. Plus 1,500. If I add those together, negative 625 plus 1,500, the positives win by 875. So in 5 hours, this pool is going to go from 1,500 gallons to 875 gallons. True. All right, the starting amount of water in the pool was 1,875? No, the starting amount of water in the pool was 1,500 gallons. No. All right, number 2. Let's see, I haven't seen these questions yet. Number 2. Okay. The water temperature is decreasing between hours 8 and 9. All right, here's hour 8 right there. Here's hour 9. Yeah, it looks like the water temperature is going down. Yes. The water temperature between hour 0 right there and hour 1, so between here and here, is constant, is staying the same. Yeah, it looks like it's flat. It's staying the same. True. The water temperature between hour 1, which is right here, and hour 2, which is right here, is increasing. Does that look like it's going up? To me, it looks like it's staying the same. I'm going to say false. 3. Let's see. The graph shows the water level in a river. Okay, so the water level is getting... What's the initial water level? Where does it start? Well, it starts right there. 40 feet. Easy. Number 4. A straight line is drawn on a coordinate plane using the 4 ordered pairs highlighted in orange points. Okay, what's the y-intercept? Well, it looks like the y-intercept is right there at negative 3. What's the slope, rate of change? Okay, looks like I can use any down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1 is also negative 3. All right. Number 5, write an equation. Okay, so we say y equals mx plus b. Let's see, this thing starts at negative 2, so it's y equals something, something, something. Y equals something, something, something minus 2. What's the slope? It goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. The slope is 2, so y equals 2x minus 2. 6, let's see, which one could be 5x plus 2? Well, here's what I see. This thing starts at 2. Now, it's hard to tell where 2 is, but I know 2 is above 0. This could be 2. This is definitely not 2. That's below 0. This could be 2. This is like way up at 10, so no. So it's either A or C. What do I notice next? That the slope is positive over here, positive 5. So the line has to be going up. If this was my right arm, well, facing backwards, that's probably a way. That's, okay, long story. If you were doing it with your right arm, then this is going down. This would be a negative slope, so it's not that one. This one's going up. It's the only one that it could possibly be. 7, what could this be? Let's see. This goes up 2.5. This goes over 1, so 2.5 divided by 1 equals 2.5. So now we have y equals 2.5x. Now, what's the begin on blue number? Let's see. We take our x and we multiply by 2.5. If I take 2 and multiply it by 2.5, it goes to 5. But I need to go to 8, so I still need to add 3 more. There we go. Number 8. All right, let's see. Which one could this be? Well, it starts at 6. Notice I'm doing the same first step for everything. Where does it start? Starts at 6. This one could start at 6, yes. This one says start at 7, no. This one says start at negative 6, no. This one says start at negative 6, no. All right, I didn't even have to do anything else. That's the only one it possibly could be. Number 9, let's see here. I'm gonna erase everything. What's the rate of change? What's the slope? This goes down 45, I have to make sure it's down. This one also goes down, goes down 5. Negative 45 divided by negative 5. The negatives cancel out. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So 9 is the answer. And finally, 10. All right, let's see. Same thing. Notice what I'm asking first. Where do we start? A tank that starts at 2,800 gallons. So we say y equals something, something, something. And I always put my starting number in the back. All right, it's emptied. We're getting less. Of chemicals is getting emptied, so we're going down at at a constant rate of 200 gallons every 2 hours. We're going down 200 every time our hours go ahead 2. Okay, well, I have to simplify this. This is really, if I go down 200 every 2 hours, I'm really going down 100 every hour. So I'm going down 100 every hour. And there's my equation. Here's where I start. Here's what I'm really doing. 200, if I'm going down 200 every 2, I'm going down 100 every 1. All right, there we go. There's E and F. Good luck.